Let's now set up the lighting for this shot. I'm just gonna adjust my view somewhere around here, let's say, and I'm gonna go into the outliner. I'm gonna open up this environment lights folder. I'm gonna select this directional light, and let's rotate this thing and bring it somewhere around. Let me see here, let's say, where is it? I'm gonna hide that volumetric clouds to have a better look, and I think it looks good. Let's try 220 in here. Let me see. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Okay, let's enlarge this window, and I'm gonna unhide the volumetric clouds. I think I should increase the intensity of exponential height fog. So let's go in here and let's try the default value. I think before adjusting the intensity of fog, I should first adjust the focus of my camera. So I'm gonna unlock the sequencer and let's select this camera from here. Oops, there it is. And I'm gonna change the focus method to manual. Let's adjust the position of the 2D focus plane somewhere around here. I'm gonna uncheck this box. And yeah, I think now we should adjust the intensity of fog. I'm gonna select the exponential height fog and let's bring it down to 0.015 or maybe 0.02. Let's see, 0.0175. Yeah, I think this is a good number. Yeah, it looks good. I'm gonna split this window and let's now select the directional light. I'm gonna copy the rotation from here and I'm gonna hide the environment lights folder. Let's enable the night scene for Lumen. I'm gonna open up this folder and I'm gonna delete all these point lights from here. I don't need that for this shot. So I'm gonna delete them and I'm gonna select the directional light from here and let's paste the rotation values in here. Boom, there we go. Now that we have copied these values to the clipboard, let's do that for path tracing as well. I'm gonna select the direction light and let's paste the rotation values in here. Okay, I'm gonna now select the exponential height fog and let's adjust the intensity of this thing. Perhaps I should increase it to just about there maybe. Let me move this playhead. Yeah, maybe just about there. Let's also add a few point lights around these assets. I'm just gonna move my view somewhere around here. Let's go into get content and I'm gonna open up lights and I'm gonna bring a point light into the scene. Okay, I'm gonna select this asset and let's copy the location. I'm gonna select that point light and paste that location in here. Okay, let's bring it somewhere around here, let's say. And I'm gonna create a duplicate copy of this light and bring it just about there. And then I'm gonna create another duplicate copy and bring it somewhere around here. Let's bring one here. And I'm gonna place a light in between this gap as well. And one over here as well. Let's now select all these point lights. And first of all, I'm gonna increase the attenuation radius to, let's say, 10,000. Or let's try 20,000. Okay, and I'm gonna increase the intensity to, let's say, 10,000. I'm gonna enlarge this window for a better view, and I'm gonna also enable the game view. Let's hide the character so that we have a little bit of a better view. Okay. Yeah, 10,000 looks good. Let's try 20,000 in here. Let's try 30,000. Let's try 50. I think 30,000 is a good number. Yeah, looks good. I'm gonna now split this window and let's select the slide from here. And I'm gonna create a duplicate copy and bring it just about there. Just about there. Let's bring it up on Z-axis to just about there. And I'm gonna create another duplicate copy of this thing and bring it somewhere around here, let's say. Okay, I'm gonna select these 2 point lights from here and Let's increase the intensity to, let's say, 50,000. I'm gonna press Q in here to hide the gizmo. Yeah, I think 50,000 looks good. Let's try 60,000. No, I think 50,000 is fine. Okay. Let's unhide the character. I'm gonna enlarge this window and let's see how this thing looks like. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Perhaps it's a little bit too much. I'm gonna select those lights once again. And let's bring this number down to 40,000. Perhaps 30,000. Yeah, I think 30,000 is a good number here. I'm gonna now select all these point lights from here and let's move them to the folder of night scene for Lumen. I'm gonna move them in this artificial lights folder. And let's press Ctrl D on the keyboard and then move these lights to the artificial lights folder of night scene for path tracing. I'm gonna delete these lights from here. I don't need that. And let's see if we have all the lights. No, I think I mistakenly deleted those two lights. I'm gonna press Ctrl C. Yeah, I don't want to delete these two lights from here, so I'm gonna select, yeah, 17 to 30. Okay, I think now we have all the lights. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna now hide the night scene for Lumen and unhide the night scene for path tracing. And first I want to verify that I have adjusted the directional light. Yeah, the directional light looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna enlarge this window and let's switch to path tracing mode. And let's give it some time to clean up all the noise. I think we need to decrease the intensity of the point lights that we have around this asset. I believe they are last two lights from here. Yeah, let's enlarge this window and I'm gonna bring it down to, let's say, 10,000 maybe. I'm not sure. I think maybe I should first adjust the exponential height fog. I'm gonna select the exponential height fog and let's set this thing to the default value and see what happens. Yeah, it looks good. Let's increase this to 0.03. Yeah, I think 0.03 is a good number here, but I'm still not sure about the point lights around this asset, so I'm gonna have to wait to clean up all the noise. Perhaps I should bring it down. I'm gonna select these two lights from here, and let me see if these are the lights. Yeah. Let's increase this to 20,000. That feels like a little bit too much. Let's set this to 15,000. Yeah, I think it looks good. Yeah, looks pretty good. I want to now animate the focus distance of my shot. So I'm gonna switch to lit mode. Let's hide the night scene for path tracing. And let's enable the environment lights. And I'm gonna unlock the sequencer. Let's move to frame number 0. And I'm gonna add a keyframe here at manual focus distance. And I'm gonna select this camera from here. Let's move to frame number 12. I think everything is gonna be fine up till frame number 12. So let's paste that keyframe in here. And then at frame number 25, first let me enable the focus plane. I'm gonna move this focus plane over this character to just about there. Let's move this playhead and see if it looks good. Perhaps I should adjust this focus plane here as well. Let's see. Yeah, I think it looks good. I'm gonna uncheck this box and let's play this animation. Yeah, looks pretty good. So that's pretty much it for this lesson. And in the next lesson, we'll start working on shot 8, which is going to be the last shot of the series. So I'll see you guys in the next one.